Hey guys, so I'm gonna be turning this right here into like, try to stain it with like lip stain and makeup and stuff. So let's get started. Y'all, I'm gonna go over there. Sorry, my vanity light just changed color. I'm gonna try to get it to like a pink, but I think it's gonna end up purple because this is dark blue and like I'm gonna use blush. This is probably a bad idea. This is gonna stain my hand, I guarantee it. Don't let me know what's gonna happen, but y'all, this is from Dollar Tree, this slime that I got. It dries out so easily, so, like, I don't really care what happens to this. This looks so pigmented, y'all. I'm not gonna mix a lot in until, like, I'm not gonna mix it in yet. But I am gonna, like... Okay, so I'm gonna, like... Bro, it went through. I was trying to do that. This is, like, a cloud slime, so it's gonna, like, kind of hard to do, but okay, y'all, I'm gonna mix this in. Okay, so this is like let's see. Okay, I don't think this one's gonna do much, that one, so we'll do a round of like, y'all, actually this might do a little bit. This is doing a little bit of color change. It's not doing a lot. All right, y'all, I see no, that's too red. There's one really dark one. Is it this one? Yes, this is what we're gonna use now. Let me just flatten it. Okay. So now I'm gonna like. And then I'm just gonna do little dots. Oh, that went in like a lot, but. Alright, so that's like a lot, bro. Sorry, bro. I'm like, I want to listen to music, but I can't. Because I don't want to go find my iPad, bro. And you all don't want to see how bad my iPad looks. My brother, like, threw it when he, like, lost in a video game. And it shattered. So, yo, I might end up doing her makeup if I can get this to, like, a decent tone. I'm just doing, like, lip stains right now. Because it's going to, like, stain it. And I kind of want it to be, like, more reddish colored. This video is probably gonna be posted in like a week. But I'm gonna make, but like, alright, I think I'm gonna mix it because I don't want to use all of my lip stuff because my lips are like the only thing I like doing for makeup. I like doing lips and mascara, so. Oh, y'all, that's gonna do some damage there. Oh, what are we doing? What am I doing? Because I have no idea what I'm doing anymore. But, like, y'all, that's coming, like, out a little darker. Like, this is the original color, and it's definitely getting a little dark. Y'all, my next strategy, if this doesn't work, I'm going to take ink or paint. Should I do paint, or, like, should I do ink? Or should I do palettes? No, I don't want to ruin my brand new palettes. Even though they came in, like, a box weird thing, I still don't want to ruin them. Okay, so I'm gonna go look behind me for my paint. I don't think I have it in here because I don't see it, and I think it would be actually. Wait, y'all, I do see my paint. Wait, hang on. We might. Y'all, I have my paint. Okay. It's gonna go purple or something. So I really need a paintbrush if I'm just like mixing. I think I'm gonna use a makeup brush because I don't want to go find paintbrushes. So, I think that's a bad idea, but this is gonna be the brush I'm gonna use. It's kind of small, though. There's a brush that I ruined with like mascara that I'm gonna use this one. This is gonna be my paintbrush. So, I'm gonna start with tan and get it tan and then add purple. I think. I don't really know. But I need to make a center so I can add a bunch of paint. Okay, y'all, we're gonna paint this. It's like, it's so pigmented. Y'all. Oh, that's so pale looking. pale do we think this is going to be? I think it's going to be extremely brown. Oh my gosh, bro. I just realized it's been so long since I've done something to with slime. Oh my god, sorry, bro. My brother's talking about freaking football. It's annoying. My brother loves the Eagles, but I don't really watch football, so like, yeah. Y'all like my new glasses? I literally got them earlier today. I haven't done any videos with them, but y'all, my hands are gonna be so stained. But look how pretty this looks. Wait, actually, I love the texture of this right now. Like the texture is like kind of like kinetic sandy, but like, yo, look how much that lightened up. And just want, oh gosh, yo, good thing I have time tonight, so like to do stuff. So like, I don't know when this video is gonna be posted, but I'm trying to get it like under. Okay, y'all, I think I'm just gonna go with purple, because no, let me just like try to get a bunch off of this, and then we'll like add some purple. All right, I'm gonna add purple now. Hang on, let me close that. So y'all like, hang on, let me move this, bro. My straighteners in that too. Yeah, we'll just move those. Okay, now I have a better space. Okay, purple. That's a lot. That was too much, y'all. I was kind of restricted on that, and I still put too much. But that's okay. It's like, y'all know, I'm like sped. Sometimes I'm like weird. I'm starting to think half of my brain either has OCD, ADD, ADHD. I'm pretty sure I have something, but I'm trying to figure that out myself. But I just really have something, but no idea what. Bro, my hands are like stained. I'm cooked. Good thing I'm going on like a vacation soon, so I can like stay on the beach. Y'all, look how pretty the color is. Like, I love the color of this. It's like so light and I kind of wish I had like a more white paint base. I can like put white in this, but like it looks so much darker on camera than it actually is. I'm also gonna make it smell really good with a perfume. I don't know which one because I have a lot, but maybe I'll let you guys choose which one I get to do. I don't know. I still have to decide what I'm gonna do with this after. So probably gonna bring it to school, but like oh gosh. Y'all. Oh my god. Okay, I feel like I should be doing a piece and not the whole thing, like a chunk. Not like call this whole thing. No, actually I'm not doing the whole slime. I'm leaving most of it. The blue raspberry scented, but this top just smells like paint. Y'all, I'm cooked. Wait, that looks like cotton candy, y'all. Like, I love that this looks like cotton candy. Bro, I just had a gymnastics competition on Sunday, and like it's currently on Tuesday. Like, and tomorrow's my sister's birthday, so like, yeah, I get to go hang out with her. If y'all didn't know, I'm a competitive gymnast. I'm an XL Gold, so I think this is as much as I'm gonna do. But also, I'm gonna add like, I'm gonna do this Nutrell one that I have right next to me, and just, it actually smells like vanilla. I think it's like Five Below brand. I'm not really 100% sure. I got it for Christmas present from one of my friends. Like, y'all, bro, look how pretty. I love this. I love it. So like, it's my favorite. It still smells like a bunch of paint, so I'm gonna spray more. But y'all, so bye. See you next time.